Are you snoring?
Avipa.
Can you show me how you snore? Go back to sleep. Oh, he's awake. There's Mason. Are you still snoring?